How to buy cross token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created 9 days ago and it raised by 54% in the last 24 hours. And the market cap, it's $47 million. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, now go to your wallet from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the Bybit chain network. After that, click on this plus icon and now paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token, but before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that warning. And if you are ready to go, now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet and go back to your wallet. Now keep searching until you find your token that just added called Cross. Now, after you find it, now just click on it. After that, click here on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy. As you can see, so this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, you will be able to find here swap, click on it, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy cross token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.